Hello, welcome to Entrepreneurs in my this webinar. This webinar is actually I designed and I created for the entrepreneurs of India. Do you think that why I choose the entrepreneur as the prime participant in this webinar? Do you think? I hope. If you think that, so write down the your views and your comments in the chat box so that I can read and understand your enthusiasm as an entrepreneur because I choose entrepreneur with a different mindset. Like entrepreneur is the backbone of this country. This I know. And I hope you also know that entrepreneur is the backbone of this country. But why entrepreneurs should learn and should know that digital marketing is the prime cause. As I think and I read a lot of books about the entrepreneurship, I find that entrepreneur is the person who is think about the people, who can think about the society, who can think about the give more by take less. Only the entrepreneur having the ability to understand that what is the requirement of present scenario, and only the entrepreneur is the person who can give the job. As of now, the pandemic situation we are facing, that is the corona, and during this corona the marketing, the business, the job, the economy, everything is gone down. But who is think and who is running this country? Do you think only entrepreneur is thinking? Only entrepreneur start thinking since the service, product and marketing comes in the mind of people. How many of you know that who bring that concept that start promotion with the help of celebrities? After the World Cup winning, a lot of entrepreneurs think that, oh, if my product will be marketized by the cricketers, then people will love to buy. After movies hitting, entrepreneur think that if my product will be sponsored by the film star, then my product will be sale. Because entrepreneur has think that only the celebrity is the right person to influence the people. This is thinking is called the out of box. So I am again here saying you, like an entrepreneur, you must think that how the economy of this country can be boosted, how the people start buying and purchasing capacity. As of now, the market is silent. If you walk in the market, you find that there is nothing to see. All the marketing, those were filled with the crowd, now very empty. People are nowhere. The cars start, but you run till the end of your destiny and back to your home. You are not loved to do the tourism. You are not loved to buy other product. You are not loved to view movie. You are not loved to visit malls. Then what? Every business is going down, but really not. Entrepreneur is still thinking. They are thinking that how to survive and how to grow the business, because if the business gone down, the purchasing capacity of people will also down. If people not purchase, they save their money in their saving account and their home, then the cycle of economy will be gone down. People are start firing, people are not getting job, then how the country will run? So this is the responsibility of an entrepreneur, to think about the people, to think about the job, to think about the creation of job with a different kind. Like e-commerce. E-commerce is the wonderful medium as of now because people are interested to buy, but they don't want to go outside because of this corona pandemic. Things are limited, but internet is not limited. You can start selling your product with the help of internet. People will start surfing over their smartphone. They just want the things should come to him or her instead of they go to the things. एक पुरानी कहावत है, प्यासा कुएं के पास जाता है ना कि कुआं प्यासे के पास जाता है. बट नाउ दिस इज द टाइम when the kuan come to the pyasa. So the time to change the marketing strategy, the entrepreneur is the kuan and the buyers are the pyasa. So this is the time to change the cycle from left to right or right to left, whatever the things is here. So now it's the time to bring your services on the digital marketing, because only the digital marketing is the ray of hope other than entrepreneur. I think that entrepreneur is the person who has the capability to change worst thing to the best thing, because only they can think out of box. And why I am speaking this to the entrepreneurs only, because I know the entrepreneur can change the world. They have the capability to change the things. They have the capability to create the job in very very different segments. Only they thinks, who was thought that the hotel maker can bring the Swiggy or Zomato, and the people who are not any skill can deliver the product. Now Zomato, Swiggy, Ola, Uber, a lot of things are there. Even they have not their own restaurant. Then I am asking, how many of you are think that you are an entrepreneur? So is the just a question, and I have an answer, because an entrepreneur have the ability, he has the innovation, he has the leadership quality, he is or she is self motivated, he or she can manage the action, and the ultimate thing is this: the person who think himself or herself as an entrepreneur has the ability to take the risk and the responsibility of successness and failure. So if you have this quality, then you are an entrepreneur. So if you are thinking that any quality that is showing in here in this screen you have, then you are an entrepreneur. So how much quality you have, you can write down in the message box. And I want to know that how many qualities you have exactly. The second thing is about the entrepreneur is this, that entrepreneur has an assertiveness. How many of you know about the assertiveness? You can write down in the chat box. You can write down why you think that you have an assertiveness in the message comment box. The entrepreneur having the strategy, skills, leadership and knowledge and ideas. You can think that these things your manager also have, your executive also have, and so many other people also having. But why an entrepreneur is different from these things? Because entrepreneur having the exact balanced combination of these all the things. Entrepreneurs idea match with the assertiveness, assertiveness match with the strategy is matched with the skill is give a balance things with the leadership and knowledge. So the person who has this all quality can be considered as an entrepreneur. But if you have only one or two quality, then you have to develop the rest of the quality. The purpose of this webinar is why I choose the entrepreneur to explain the benefits of digital marketing for present domain, present situation and present condition. Reason is this: only entrepreneur in a business having the clinch or glitch about the growth. The people having the ideas, people having the marketing, intense team, blah, 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 they have the lot of things. But only entrepreneur having the responsibility about the growth of the market, about the growth of the business, about the financial support for their colleagues. Only entrepreneur having the ability. So how many of you think that you have this ability? You can write down in the message box. Wow, an amazing voice is coming. Who is that? So how many you think that these qualities you have? And the primary question is this: why an entrepreneur is so important for the economy of a country? How many of you know that the economy is boosting by the entrepreneurs? If you want to speak, then you can raise your hand so that I can own your voice, so that you can speak with us and share your views and knowledge to others. So how many of you know? So amazing thing is this: as I designed this small webinar just to give you an idea that the marketing trend has been changed during last 2 or 3 months, and I am damn sure that this change will be applicable for the next at least 1 year. And in this year, if you able to bring your business on the internet or digital marketing, then you can only survive. Otherwise, you can think that a lot of companies are disappearing from the market. Not because of that, they are not serving well. Because of that, the reach has been limited. The people have no time to visit market. The people have no time to take the risk in this corona pandemic, that choose the product, buy the product, bargain with you, and blah blah blah. People are limited in their house, in their room, but the internet is not limited. Internet is open for everyone. You can access the thing from inside your house. You can order anything. As of now, people are thinking that, oh, I need this, but how and from where I can buy? People are thinking that someone in the open market can offer them home delivery. People are thinking that I need every product, but I have no capability to take risk to go outside. Just because the people are thinking that they gain the product from their house with the home delivery. People are not extract himself or themselves from the buying capacity, but exactly they are not in the mood to take risk. They just want the product should be delivered at their home. So digital marketing is the way by which you can meet with the target audience. The target audience can meet your product and you can deliver the product at their home. Either it is product or it is service or it is anything. So the marketing trend has been changed since last 3 to 4 months. As of now, things are running. The money is running. Everything is ongoing, but the things has been changed. And why I am just explaining to the entrepreneur, because only the entrepreneur can understand that this change has to be adaptable. Only entrepreneur can take the decision that yes, this is the time to change the marketing strategy. Do you know, before the World Cup, no one is know how to sell the product with the influence of the cricket players. This was the first person who start the advertisement. This is the first person from the film industry who start the advertisement, because that time the people start influencing by the cricketers and film stars. So entrepreneurs take this decision. Instead of giving the advertisement on the newspaper, we have to bring some film stars and cricketers to influence our product, marketize our product. And this was the strategy of that time, and even it is running today also. You can see a lot of ads are with Bonvita, Boost, Horlicks, Saving Cream, and blah blah blah. And so many film stars and cricketers are doing this. Why they are doing this? Because entrepreneur thinks that people are emotionally attached with these celebrities. So if they recommend my product, then out of 10, 1 or 2 people will buy this. So this was the decision taken by the entrepreneur, and the product is marketized a lot, even though the celebrities are not enjoying that product or services. The same situation is now here. So before proceeding this, I just want your some comments about this topic, that why do you think that you are an entrepreneur? I seen a lot of people are with me, and I hope they should write one line at least, that why they think that they are entrepreneur. As Mr. Shailesh Sharma is written that self business. Ashish Tiwari is writing entrepreneurs solve problems differently than other professionals. That's very good. Very nice to see you. As of now, there is the big problem. Market is crisis, economy is down, jobs are less, things are very wide. So only entrepreneurs have the ability to solve this problem. As everyone knows the job, everyone might want money to survive their family. So how will we earn money? What is the way? What we do so that things can be changed from this pandemic era to better? We everyone want a better life, but how do we? What is the essential part? So no one is sharing their own views other than two or three people's. I want to know that why you think that you are an entrepreneur. Because if you know you are an entrepreneur, then you should also know why you are. Because if you not know you are an entrepreneur, then how will you know your KRA? Is how will you know what is your roles and responsibility in an organization? What you can do for the society, for the nation, and for your organization. If you know that you are an entrepreneur, then you have the ability to take the decision. And why I am emphasizes the entrepreneur to adopt the digital marketing as of now. Because the digital marketing is the marketing that can be done by the inside the house. There is no need to come yourself outside in the market, in the field. You can do each and everything inside your house. But your reach will be globally. People can connect with you, people can interact with you, and people will love to buy your products and services. This is the power of digital marketing. You can sell your services inside the India and outside the India. But how? This has to be explained. This has to be understood by an entrepreneur, that things has to be changed from last 3 to 4 months. So I want your views, that why do you think that you are an entrepreneur? And really, it's an interactive session. Want your views so that everyone can understand. Wow, Anurag Dubey writing, I am an entrepreneur because I can take decision instantly and implement it in the market and change it anytime. That's very good. Entrepreneur having the capability to take this decision instantly and implement. So many times the people can take the decision instantly but have not courage to implement it, or they have fear. If my decision was wrong, then if my decision was wrong, then only entrepreneur having the courage to take the decision and implement it. This is the core value of an entrepreneur. Sunil Sharma is writing, entrepreneur have the ability to create some job for society. Amazing, absolutely correct, Mr. Sunil Sharma. Your views are very good. Only entrepreneur have the ability to create some jobs for the society. As of now, situation is very tight. A lot of companies are firing people, but do you think the people who get fired from a company also need job? Who will provide them job? Another entrepreneur. As of now, you can see that a lot of government organization and entities are government about to selling. Why they are selling? Because they are not profitable. But who is buying and why they are buying? The buying person are an entrepreneur, and really they have the ability and capability to bring those entities, organization and business profitable. So the entrepreneur is exactly the backbone of any nation, economy and finance. That is the reason why we trust on the economy for the entrepreneur, not on the politicians, not on the government. Why we believe that to open an account in a private bank is very easy instead of a government bank? Because we know the entrepreneur is the problem solver, not the problem creator. That's because I am urging and requesting the entrepreneur to update the marketing strategy from the traditional to digital marketing. But as an entrepreneur, I know you must ask a question that what will a digital marketing will give us? How many of you want to ask this question? Please write down in the message or chat box that how many of you want to know the benefits of digital marketing for their business, or any other question. If you have, you can write down. And I am again asking you, you should write your name with your city name, with your mobile number and your business name, so that in future we can organize if any other seminar or webinar, we should invite you for more knowledge, to gain more and more knowledge. So uh, Mr. Seres the Sarma is writing, we love to like to know, sir. That's great. We love to know, sir. That's great, Anurag. And just an request, Mr. Anurag, you can write down your city name, mobile number, and business so that we can contact you in future. That's a great. So I am explaining you why the digital marketing is helpful for you. Let me show you. Okay. Digital marketing will help an entrepreneur to take the right marketing decision. Why I am write this line in the beginning? Because I given you an example of cricketers, politicians, celebrities and others, that the marketing strategy is changing time to time. So many times the film stars, the cricketers are the celebrity to promote a product. Now, as of now, you've seen that in so many ads, the old age people, the kids are doing very good ads. Why? Because so many times you ignore the politician, sorry, ignore the, you can't ignore the people who are like you, like a small kid in doing the ad of Warmita, and his mother is saying, ये तब नहीं जीतेगा जब मैं इसे जीतने दूंगी, ये तब जीतेगा या मैं तब जीतूंगी जब ये मुझे हरा देगा. This is the words for common man, common people. Like you have to run fast to beat the competitor. So this is the time to change the marketing, change the marketing style, change the marketing strategy. So digital marketing gives the right and the authority to an entrepreneur to take the right marketing decision. What is the right marketing decision? You can decide. If your product is globally selling, then you can go with the search engine optimization. If your product is for the young generation, you can choose the social media like Instagram, like Facebook and YouTube, and create a wonderful ads. If your marketing area is small, 1 or 2 kilometer, you are like doing a business like restaurant, like gym and other things, then you have to add up the local business solution of Google. So the marketing decision is based as per your product, as per your service. If you are offering online coaching, then there is no boundary of city, there is no boundary of state, even there is no boundary of countries. You can teach the people who are sitting in the Australia, UK, US, or any other country. So this is the liability and ability of an entrepreneur to take right marketing decision, because only right marketing decision can have the ability to make your business profitable. Second thing is this: know your competitor. You don't know a competitor as of now, because since last 2 or 3 months, every kind of the advertisement has been stopped. People are not able to promote their product with the help of print media. You are not able to see any kind of the hoardings, because you are not able to come outside from your house. You are sitting inside your home. Then how will you able to see the hoarding that's placed on a very gathered place? So how do you know that your competitor is doing what? But if you are on the digital marketing, you are every day monitoring your product, your services with the help of social media, search engine, and local business. Then somehow you will be able to understand that exactly what your competitor is doing. I am giving you a very small example of a marriage home in a small town that's called Itawa, from where I belongs to. Two people are made the marriage home. One is advertising in the local area, and second one is made a website and promoted it. And actually he promoted that you perform this marriage in the lab of the nature. They promoted with the very big videos, very brand images, and the people are really interested to know that where it is situated and how it is happening. And they giving the facility for a virtual tour, means you can plan a virtual tour and sit in front of the laptop or mobile. They will send you a link and giving you a live demo that this is the place where you will enter, this is the place where you can see, this is the place where the blah 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 things are doing. And can you imagine, in the season of marriage, the one, those who are promoting their business also get the business, but the costing was very less. The second person who promoted their business over the internet gain business less, but the less business gives him a lot of money, because those people are coming from outside. They are fully minded that they will not bargain more and more, because they created the hype that this is in the nature of God. So only the rich people will contact you. So instead of gaining a low quality and low price clients and customer, you have to focus with the high quality and high cost giving customer. So with the help of this, you can know your competitor, and you also know about your clients. Because if you are giving the offer to virtual tour, then this means they are very interested. Second example, I am giving of my town once again. The farmers of my town has made a organic farmhouse. Organic farmhouse they made in a very poor quality land, and they are made it a heaven and promoted it with the help of website. So the people who came from the Delhi and going to Lucknow, Agra, Kanpur, Mathura, anywhere, they see over the internet that the organic farms is near 100 kilometer and 200 kilometer, and people are interested to see the varieties of trees and varieties of cattles. So this is the power of digital marketing. So with the help of this, you can know what your competitor is actually doing, and you can take some ideas. I am not saying you just follow. I am just saying that you can take an idea. Second thing is this: as an entrepreneur, if you go with the digital marketing, you have the ability to keep the tracking of result. Suppose you giving the advertisement of newspaper, you place the hoarding and you run an advertisement over the television, then how many people are visited? You don't know really. How many people are converted? You have no measurement. But with the help of digital marketing, if someone is contacting you, someone is querying you, you can identify that this person has come from my website. You can see with the various tools that how many people are coming on your website, how many people are watching your website, how many people are staying your website and they performing the activity. So this is the wonderful place for an entrepreneur to track the result, because the tracking of result is more and more important for any business. The things is very important for every entrepreneur to track the result. Fourth one thing is this: manage in your own way. This is the biggest facility in the digital marketing, and this is not really possible in other, because as of now you think that your ad should come on this time, but television so says no sir, this time is not free for you. Then what? You will silent. You says that my hoarding should be placed here, but the costing of that place is much higher than your budget. Then what? So whatever you do, is it not possible? If you say that my ad should be placed on this newspaper, but at the time when you want this, the advertisement facility is over, so you cannot place ad there. But in the digital marketing, you are really free. Your ad will be 24 by 7 and accessible by all the globes, anywhere, anyone, anytime. People can access and understand your business. In the starting, as an entrepreneur, you should know that first people try to reach you with the name of business. Then with your work, with your quality, people will know you by your name. So once you become the brand, people will start searching your name only, that this name is sufficient. Like, have you heard the advertisement of Khetan? The at that time the ad was showing that Khetan bas naam hi kafi hai. This is actually not a slogan. This is the punchline and will promote in a way that naam hi kafi hai. Naam to suna hoga. So once you become the brand, then there is no need for more promotion. People will love to search you. People will love to see you. People will love to contact you. So this is the era that you have to move from a traditional marketing to digital marketing. Now, I just want to see you how many of you are interested to know more about this thing. Write down in the chat box that you want to know more things about this. Just write down your ideas. I want to see. Oh, Anurag Dubey, well, now it's publication house. So any other person who can share their views and want to know more. Yeah, Shailesh Das Sharma, very active. Sunil Sharma, amazing. Anyone else want to know more? Now the time is to, I just explain you two things. One is about the digital marketing. Second one is an entrepreneur. That why only entrepreneur is the ray of hope in the darkness during this pandemic era. I given you a lot of example that only entrepreneur having the capability to change the worst situation into the best situation, because entrepreneur can think differently, entrepreneur can think broadly, an entrepreneur can think about the problem solution. So the last point that I want to share with you is that's it. Fast growing marketing medium. How many of you believe that this is the fast marketing medium? Write down their views. Do you know or do you agree with this is the fast marketing medium? Just come on, hurry up, friends. Or I can say you entrepreneurs. Write down. I want to show you your enthusiasm, that how much you are enthused about this information. Do you have any question? Then you can ask me. I will try to answer. Okay, let me show you why this is the fast growing marketing medium. Fast growing marketing medium is digital marketing, and why this is? This is because if you post a very nice article today and you do a good work about the promotion, it's the two kind of the promotion, off page and on page, and sharing on the social media, then gradually within a day you can get a number of visitors. How many of you remember a song Berry? How many of you remember the song Berry Deal? Share your views in the chat box that do you remember or not. How many of you remember the song Berry Deal by the Mr. Dhanush, son-in-law of Rajnikant? Rajnikant, you know. So how many of you remember the song Berry Deal? Do you know in a single day this song uploaded in a YouTube and gained the more than 1 crore visitors? Can you amazing how much this? And I hope this much of audience you cannot find with any other medium in a such a less time. As of now, so many film stars, film industries, or filmmakers made the uh, ad or teaser and upload it on YouTube and see the result. As of now, you know the teaser of Sadak 2. People are dislike, and they create a history. That amazing number of dislike. So this is really a fast growing marketing medium for the promotion and demotion also. So the thing is this, it is the fast growing medium. How many of you believe that social media is a fast growing marketing medium? I am again requesting you that everyone should leave their name, their phone number, their business, and their city, so that in future if we need start anything new thing, then we should coordinate with you. So as of now, I am explained the things why entrepreneurs are so important for the country and for the organization. And I explain why digital marketing is important for an entrepreneur to survive in worst situation. And with the help of digital marketing, how an entrepreneur can turn worst situation to the best situation, because only entrepreneur having the ability to offer the jobs to other. Because if one company is fire you, or as an entrepreneur if you fire someone, then definitely you or that both will get job somewhere, and the job will be offered by another entrepreneur. So the ray of hope is always depend on the entrepreneur. So the marketing strategy, style, and the requirement should be known by an entrepreneur, because only entrepreneur having the power and the capability to decide that this is the time to change the marketing strategy. And one last thing is this, the entrepreneur always the entrepreneur always searches for change. Only entrepreneur, other than entrepreneur, either he is manager, vice president, or anyone, not want to change in their current situation. Only the entrepreneur thinks out of the box, and the entrepreneur respond the things, respond to it and exploit it as an opportunity. So I am targeting, I am humbly requesting to the entrepreneur to come outside, come again, come to us and bring something new, zealful thing so that everyone can get the job and your business start growing and growing and growing. My best wishes is always with you. And if any entrepreneur want the consultancy about the digital marketing, they can contact us with our website www.ragers.com. Thank you for joining us and hope you will see us in the next session, and I will see all of you in my next session. Have a nice day. Thank you.